Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. So basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use a control. Let's get started by use the application, open Baseus app, and of course you need to add your headphones there. Now, when you add it, you will see them at the device list, tap on them and go to ambient sound at the left side. And right here we have normal mode, and at the right side, by default it used normal mode, and at the right side we have ANC, so you need to click at this icon to enable it. And to disable it, you need to swap or to transparency mode or to the normal mode. Now, as I said, we can use also a control, and by default at the left ear cup we have ANC button. So you need to press one time on it, and firstly, firstly we swap to transparency mode, and then you will swap to ANC mode. And after ANC you will return to the normal mode. But also we can add a multifunctional button at the right ear cup, and you need to go to the gesture settings, and for the double or triple press select ANC mode here. And now I can also double press it, the multifunctional button 1, 2, and I should also swap to transparency and then to ANC. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.